noto nebo Safaricom englimbo Eldoret chito netaimi Katululu tafadhali ongemangun en Katululu kaila upgrade nguni iwe on phone Neon Ultra 2 maisha poa ni digital inyoru ndano ichilete star 797 hash not star 79 hash deposit 2000 Kenya shillings agiliban siling konam kila betut agidastai boise simoit agomite ran customers inyoru baat kabisa che imuche inyoru free deposit nebo 2000 Kenya shillings noton amune kagile imuche inyorchige free simoit noton nebo Neon Ultra itau ibaibainchi as digital ak Safaricom ama iwe live miten ichega duge nebo Safaricom petutab rane mite Safaricom shop opposite Silver Line ngilbo Eldoret nyona sokabiti ibaibainchi kimiten ageche ground maisha poa ni digital ak Safaricom. Tebutik chemito live studio asante kale gatu mheshimiwa kabisa kale temune mheshimiwa ilinchi tosne netesta in highway 104 Nakuru Nairobi highway gure Penny Chebet so si wali yota mheshimiwa kale temune mheshimiwa gobo highway 104 Nakuru Nairobi highway then kale mwesh kengalale no ba free nomination ibwati legi kagiete ne raiso ko jorwa ngone ne kale mite bi kisane che kigiete kamwa bi kala kingyo so ngale kam nomination asante sana tebini mheshimiwa ile plan tinye nenda in terms of electricity connectivity en chimngetuny water nebo last mile distribution in Mogotio constituency Collins Chepkolele ngilbo Laisamis Marsabit County.
Collins Chepokela, good guy. Mwalimu is my friend.
Okay.
My friend.
Kongoi kibore ken amune ngagiletab ke kalane kya mwalimu akiani tisi 1986 en Kures Mogotio kalorip serikali tafadhali enki sanana koma gitinye be kale bohol nenyonet ko kinyor mechanical problems Steven Chepto akisanana ingen so taune nata sibita une nata
so kamwa Collins ngalega pick up chemos last mile Tuesday next week.
Okay.
Como yami alonjeni last mile nebo Kiptoim area, that chemngetuny area, Chemogoch and the Korea side. So Tuesday next week I'm muti contractor site for launching of that.
Okay.
Of that phase about that area. Kamwa pick up kisana ball ko me ball me kisana na but we are working on it. Kimege gas ya Rift Valley water kimege sukumani ge jenye resource ge pege sakan ball na kisana na. Kanga kana katepte puteni ota 104
highway
A104 ni bo Mogotio ni bo Kilene ni bo Nairobi Nakuru Eldoret. I think by the end of this month ke contractor it is ready. The government are running around the clock. Ke duole no rega mausamut rirone ni bo rirone mausamit. So in the any time from now ko edi contractor site kebege dueleni. The best thing that this government can do to us aja monu kweli ngela ko piga Eldoret ke na boss otinye airport pendi airport osu kan Eldoret obaka piga kiricho gabo bunore gabo man ne opu Narok aje piga Nakuru Baringo those sides ko we sleep in the jam in Gilgil. And now that the government go dueling that road, there's no better gift that this government can give to us than that. Because all of us we come to Nairobi for one way or the other because the capital and this is where we hustle. So I think by the end of this month, maybe early August, the contractor will be on site. William Ruto fulfilling one of his promise that he said, Kale jingo puna 2027. Kura jitinya William is youngoni. Because now tell me, will you need to explain to someone that Mausametri Road is being done? And you just use that road, you see diversion, you see contractor, and you know that the government is working. So
Rift Valley, Western, Nyanza.
So I think end man the bara early August coming contractor site. Never Rirone Mausamit.
Okay. Michine gate Roy Kendi galete bunon mheshimiwa Kibore Kilenji tos plan ne netinye en vijana chote chiba Mogotio kumwaweje nungun kala naseme tare. Vijana wa Mogotio
no, I told them no more tarego. I told them I want to get job jukwala vijana. I want to get job. I think Moyaguru akasema.
Yes.
I'm going to get job jukwala vijana. A dialogue, something like dialogue. I'm going to get ngalan. and I don't want to mama chapa ngolonje mama chapa ngolon mo. Maybe it could be maybe there's some things we are not getting it right. Ngela sa singi nego as a leader you mala suppose ngalang you suppose site ay ngi ngolon. So I'm organizing for a forum mak nera naga mogotio so ngolon which. I think I'll take the PS of youth SMSC or small micro enterprises and National Employment Authority, you know, Kasi Maju, Kenya KI, Kenya Industrial Estate, all those departments you're dealing with youth. Sekebeke ngalana kejana kumwa wingale kemwa cheplanji baserikali, and then we have a discussion. Just a discourse. Kemwa gele what do you think? You know, we also want kapkole ni chitaka mechi yowo kunu sa zingine. Maybe yes the solution on how you might get it. And la kumatindoi. So amejaga ne yani forum ni, but the whole day you know we just have a discussion. You know, we talk from maybe 9 to 4. That are talking, and it is them talking. Melena talking to them, or leaders talking to them. It is them talking to us. You want to give them the microphone. So, organize any jukwaa la vijana na pamogotio, because we have done women empowerment. We did well. Yeah, Chop Chicken and Mama Arambe, we got 20 million. My team are in the process of distributing what we got to the women groups. So for the young people who, you know, we did tournament and we are doing another one in December. But in between, you know, tournaments and all these things is not enough. Suppose you gasile and chichine huline. You know, make a gosinera and chugiline. Ne meche as much as I'm narane konarane go min narane kiba every day or today go meet it and I just program about youth. So and it is different, even 2 years difference go you more say go ye sabon. So meche ke jaba jukwaa la vijana dialogue. You know, I'll give them the date. I'm still organizing in Nairobi with the appointments about people to come, because I only don't want to make it a talk shop. I want to bring government agencies to deal in vijana, so that we offer solutions, and you know, these young people get people to move on launch so that's why I've not given a date kamutom ko commitment PS nebo youth PS nebo SMSC, you know, chairman of the National Employment Authority. We are in talk with Kigen, Vincent, and you know, Kenya Industrial Estate. All those things that deals with young people. So you have to look at their diaries, which is a convenient day. So you have a day which is convenient. I give them that day. We come and talk.
Ni mwatoki na alkogo kwenye Huduma Center Mogotio. Well done Mogotio Huduma Center. Importance of Huduma Center.
You know, Huduma Center is a service, is provide service. Mogotio is kimeje create Mogotio kwa an app nebo business. An app nebo you know Mogotio Nakuru is like Nairobi Akrongai and the Nairobi Kitengela.
Okay.
So we have to make it Mogotio Kitengela and Akrongai nebo Nakuru, where people goes to work in Nakuru comes and stay in Mogotio, so that we get a population, we build the economy blossom. So we are making, you know, now Kingele when Mogotio there was no clean water.
Okay.
Right now Mogotio and they can confirm. Mogotio town there is clean water, tapped water. You know, in the last 2 years we have done. Kingele when they came at Tamak to Mogotio town. Right now, every corner of Mogotio town is, I think in Baringo and even in Kalenjin, it is one of the most tamak town. In Borjit Kalenjin, if I'm not wrong, it's Mogotio, that almost all the streets are tamaked. Clean water, access of clean water. Huduma Center for services. So the big services. Now we are working hard to get a level 5. So we miss so that we make it one of the model towns. So we can create an economy. So you know, we get the colleges, the livestock, we get the Kenya water. So we have population. So that kwaldachi mana kujachi kwalda sukuma jachi kumi clients kumi customers, because there's population. Engelda chiega chuku kibuno dairy engelda bande ku it cross bingi yan mungare ngempesa kumi bikipuani. So we have to create an hub in Mogotio strategically, slowly, and we will get there. We get there. We have affordable housing about 570 units. I think contractor will be inside many times from now. You know, to try and, you know, and Kiteje Sports Academy, to try and bring a town that will, give my people a livelihood. You don't need to go to Narok or to where we need to. You can do it within Mogotio.
Yes.
Yes.
Kale Alvestin Engle Mamugurin kale sisi tunasema asante Engsortonje Dam Mega Dam kale gongoi misi mheshimiwa kwa gongoi in Sport Academy Livestock Institute Huduma Center kale chamwane igatoa mheshimiwa agitie itebuno ilenji Paul Matelo chorwenya mzee kale tebuno ilenji kale mijorwana kateb imwagi agobo mashamba ya kile ya vale ana ya pale.
Yeah.
Why mashamba chonwe Matelo mwawe tafadhali clarify ni yote nasikabait ko walune.
Mashamba kirjo?
Again, kakasir WhatsApp. So tafadhali Matelong, Ramatelong, te yaw gara message non. Mi chine ke gure David Ngilbaguri so kale te bunon kibore kilenchi ko fafanuan ngoliana ni mo gele ginyigis jerop. Kigiba isi nenga sartain.
Ginyigis jerop ko it's a idiom or whatever nagiba isi gele ginyigis lakwetapka. Assuming that jerop ko lakwetapka.
Yes.
But mama I'm speaking from budget no magmo. Ko nyigis jerop.
Oh.
Nyigis jerop. Kaya gute masikini kaya pagayamwa kaya parkan because kaya mwa ko na ye porurio se kuna lolo grip ke ngi mwa rao ni le kwa nyang ne ko ke bor che porurio se kala ki boy mo ni lenje kwa cham ke president mo ko joko lo president project se nga ku yilo je na tensa because ngo nyoge manyech so ko miyo.
Yes.
And we are doing well. So far so good there.
Kakimwa ile ko Mr. Kwega chekio kikiyokto kwega chomito tetanyini serikali kwega chomio boishet nebo raia. Mheshimiwa serikali shekwa ing mi national kumita county government. Umito leb national kumi serikali shekap county. Uitende serikali tap county nebo Baringo, mi nebo Uasin Gishu, Nandi, agoi jibokali njina go Limba Narok, Bomet, Kericho. Eng your assessment kege mwabe shajito kole olega ita boishet governor nebo Kalenjin kegere kele unata president imuch kebimane kele ngomai kasi governor nenyi anan mai kasi kanunet fulani so mangen ale your assessment nebo devolution ak performance nebo governors chebo bororietab Kalenjin ketawden ngene nebo master nebo Baringo generally tos igere kikomuch kosulda devolution eng oleibunu.
Jamwa ko mama mo gele jata una na nyona ko I'll be biased amama jajera gelene amama jajera betuta pigalak so jamwa to meta because care jine gara ya
ingele ya picture oversight no Baringo ko baten ko member of parliament
no jita ne suppose ga oversight ko MC ak senators ko ya county oversight a check suppose ga was national government but speaking from Baringo go kango mamwa because
mi low
ngamwa ko moja awech
out of 10 mo jiga jata
ko yangem jita betut
out of 10 mo jiga jata so far
kango mare na Luis ngiyale wede tu gegeti kango mare there is over there no biga laga da yora ya because there is actually I don't think kind of assist me let me try not to talk about it because it's part of the things que la ganya magage because
engoma stanegero gara na negero ko magararan komnye ingele ngapolita ka maganya mamo garan me sanga sita ko la mamo ka mamo ya
to garara to ka mwa
okay sawa
so jamwat assist no ma jito because ga mwa ko muy ko airline ne badisho ne nyone because
awagage bwangu
ngalek ko ora je cha so go outshine ngalek ja ki ga ngalare ne asmo analysis
okay
kimi tu jaba Mungu
okay
jaba everybody jaba Mungu
okay sawa nge metoji atok kitende dege shangwan mheshimiwa general jitab Kalenjin ko wari se jigat kwa genge wari nenywa number 1 ko communication nyono ngete akwe go gandoige ko itiraya kere go tako mi deficit kete kan tako mi space tako mi gap kita ne boying kuna kama tiza kole tos kagoit anan tositu nebo Cherobe kiko dirailen boisionik tuguk alak che terter chebo ngalek ab maandamano ngalek che kitestai eng emetab Kenya ak alak chechang so ngalot kitab Kalenjin ko sene betutab rani ko yake eng viongozi chebo Kenya Kwanza yake eng kandoikab Kalenjin yake eng kandoik chebo chemengechen kobun Kalenjin Your assurance kityo imwa ile where are we tos kimi komye ko kibikab Kalenjin kemi ketoroti kityo iteshi your closing remark.
Korok kemi komye. Bororietab en Kenya kemi komye. Akamje akochi bororiet alenji matosich wasiwasi. Ako this thing chekileni, you know, by 2004 Kibaki was very unpopular. But by 2007 he was elected because kakimwa ndangibu change komi biik chemayani change. It takes time koyan big change. Sain to ile binge stand shage NHIF komi koyani. Do ile binge but kore cheba affordable housing komi koyani kora kikoyan kole it's part of us. So mjalenji bororiet kemi komye. Age migamu kikilige ako kilege president nyona akamwa atinye insight nebo plans itindo serikali. Kemi komye ako the future is very promising. Ako legacy nimo kocha president Arap Ruto kotom kocha president age tugul age. So mjalenji bororiet ab Kalenjin kemi komye biga mo kote tugul je promise chekamwa ke tugul. I don't think mid mo gemet whatever we promised in campaign I think we will achieve 90%. And I'm saying this because we have already surpassed 50% at the moment, maybe 60-70%. I go to get in 2 years ahead. Go, you know, I'm working and the president also. We are working with the president on the clock. Kakisha two key promises Mogote tugul kaki delivering within 5 years. And I want to use Mogote because my reference point. I don't know what is happening in Lysa Mese and the Kwale and you know and the Nandi and the Angenchwa Mogote. Wali ngaleki promise na president in the platform negiterele president kugiterele antwa. And the things we promised, I think we are doing so well. And I think anyone can challenge me with any promise na president. The Tom guy or in the process of doing. We are doing all the things that we promised. And from Radadam, we are doing compensation side about Radadam. For the first time, for many years, but for the first time, the chip condo compensation Radadam. For the first time, I learned about Kamorambwa Sirwa, which was done in 97 and never recapitulated. The contractor will be inside maybe in 2 weeks. We are doing cereals in Sirwa. Parabareni promise and Melil and Baporor Ochi, Boror Sirwa Ochi. It is in budget. You know, Barabarab Kasanana, Mogoto, like Bogoria, it is ongoing. Contractor is on site. Industrial Pageng Mosa, it is contractor is on site. You know, affordable housing, the contractor will be coming on site in the next 2 weeks. Hostel Siboy meaning second meaning technical. The contractor is on his, you know, they are finalizing evaluation. You contractor, so on your contractor site. A livestock institute, Almarai, it is ongoing. Contractor is on site. You know, sports academy contractor is on site. Utuma Center we have opened land register sai pick up Chimosu, so we have done almost 70%. I'm coming on Tuesday to launch another one to make sure that all those areas the other area where it has tanks, we all make sure that people have water. You know, dams choka moichi chikiteje kigeta ni pangusero kigeta jolbat kiteje sai ni basertonje kigeta ni bagapuswa. We have built Totona School, Kipkitura School, Mogote Township. We are continuing with Emening Tarik 25 Ketinye Mogote Academic Day, where we'll bring all the schools to come and celebrate and reward them in, you know, at Emening Boys. And we are building a school of almost 150 million in Emening. We are doing agriculture field day, which is more of coffee field day on 12th of August in Sirwa grounds. Kiwambi coffee nene ke moto piesi segle kitoyeng so mokebe net ping alap coffee, so that we also empower our people when you rap chip condo alap steme. It is ongoing. My team has been in ground. We are moving pole, improving, reaching out to areas where they are underserved. Ngalega by city kiteja ICT up in Sirwa. Kiteje nebo Chiaberentisi again, Agiteje nebo Kibotain, so that in every ward we have one in Sirwa nebo Mokoti ward and Chiaberen nebo Emening ward, Agasana and Agiteje nebo Kibotain and Gasana ward. So by the end of this year, we'll have every ward will have an ICT app. So you know, we are doing irrigation. You know, Majimoto, the contractor, have been slow. We are pushing him. Kochoki, Kitete nebo Chera Egrosoga. It's ongoing. It is ongoing. So we have a whole plan. You know, we have a whole plan about moving Mindelio and me or any so Mungu beta game, I think, and it will, we might, you know, Agaso president again, never sogiri, or Yemen again, I mean, or so that when we tarmac that one, we will remain with now about 2 roads, and then Mogote will be good. It will remain with Kasanana, Olgokwe, Waseges Arabal, and then we come and do another one, maybe from a place called Oterit, maybe next time. A place called Oterit, to Molosirwe, Kwanega Wagablelua, Kwanega Muguyoni, and then all the way to Kamar, to Majimoto, to Loboy. When that will open up that entire area, maybe we'll get that one next time. So we'll have achieved, or every other dream that Mogote will imagine that it should be achieved. So Mjamwabi Kialenji, Onge Soji Mungu Sergali, Onge Gilke, Agete Cheme, again Gotanga, Konyo, Bagolejin from Konyo, Elagipia, Gilagapsrum Betaganga, Onge Mamichin Chamech, Kosiri. Mami chini ngene kujikingenge onge yagenga agezet kugiborori tagen
kongo miseng mheshimiwa Ruben Kiborek MP nebo Mogotio mitulngede saa moja hawai tata kitu kini atene babetu tab arani logo ya bemet engoindo chebo side somok agabaras taushek sagewege kaine ngo bawas kemboy
actress Cherorot.